So let's go down here. This is check out a couple of them. Obviously over here, you don't have to just scroll through them. You can search by title, or you can just search by whatever niche that you guys have, right?
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey, what is up, all you funnel hackers? I heard that you need a funnel page template right now, and you don't want to wait a couple of days for a designer to design it for you, or you don't want to spend hours yourself editing this page on ClickFunnels or Go High Level, where you're probably like me, where you have to ask like your girl, like, hey, do these colors match? Does this look good? Or maybe you just need a bunch of more funnel templates, funnel pages, so that you can have a bunch of retargeting pages to your business. Or maybe you have a marketing business where you need to onboard a new client to add another funnel page to him. Or maybe whatever, you need a funnel page today. You don't want to hire an expensive designer. You don't want to spend hours and hours doing it. You need something done right now. Let me show you guys really quick how our funnel library has over 400 different funnel page templates in over 60 different niches, and how our funnel library can be instantly imported into your ClickFunnels or your Go High Level account within a click of a button. Guys, it's really, really simple. So let's go down here. This is check out a couple of them. Obviously over here, you don't have to just scroll through them. You can search by title, or you can just search by whatever niche that you guys have, right? All right, so you can search up any niche. You can scroll down here, guys. I like credit repair funnels. I do have a marketing agency or credit repair, besides the point. But let's say you like this one specifically, okay? That's a random one I pointed out to. And say how you like how this looks and want to utilize this on your Go High Level account for now. And I'll show you how to use ClickFunnels as well too. Let's say you want to copy this into your Go High Level editor, so you can just rearrange, change out the logo and different things like that. As you can see over here, as soon as if I click the button, Go High Level button, it says copy this text over here. Then what I do is I go over to my Go High Level account. I press add a new step. Let's call this like test. Let's import this right here. Just press Command V, or if you have a PC, you press Control V. Pretty much just pasting into there. And pretty much what this does is we already have all of these funnel pages over here in our ClickFunnels library. So pretty much what this is doing is copying the URL from our ClickFunnels and pasting it to Go High Level right here. So I can directly import it from our Funnel Hacker Live library and paste into your Go High Level editor. As you can see right here, it took like maybe less than 10 seconds, and instantly you got the entire page right here import directly into your Go High Level account. But cool, like that's pretty cool. But I have ClickFunnels. Excellent, I got you. Don't worry, I got you. Over here, as you can see, there's two buttons over here, two little options. One for Go High Level, so you can paste this into your Go High Level editor, and another one is your ClickFunnels. All you got to do is press ClickFunnels, and bam, just like that, but bam, 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 it says over here you can add this funnel, Credit Repair 9, which is what it was called, and you can add it directly into your ClickFunnels account. As you can see, guys, it's only two buttons. Well, if you hit Go High Level, you got to click maybe twice. All right, you got to click the button. It copies it from our ClickFunnels library, and you paste into your Go High Level account. Or if you have ClickFunnels, you just duplicate that funnel into your ClickFunnels account. Guys, it's super easy now to get your own funnel, guys. And if you need your funnel done today, if you don't want to spend thousands of dollars designing a page, if you don't want to spend hours and hours designing a page, guys, look no further. Funnel Library has your back. And guys, another thing too, we're constantly adding new templates onto this page. So we have this little feature over here on the left-hand side, which I'll probably explain in another video, called Design on Demand. So whenever somebody wants a custom page done for them, you go to Design on Demand, submit the survey, and that funnel template will be sent to you directly and will also be added to the funnel library for other people to use. So guys, what I'm trying to say is that we have over 400 different landing page templates and over 60 different niches. So if you need a funnel page done today, and I mean today, check out our funnel library, and with like 2 clicks, you can instantly import a highly successful, highly converting funnel page template that looks just amazing, that all you had to do is change out the logos, maybe change out some of the copy, and bam, guys, just like that, you got your next funnel page done. I'll talk to you all later, guys. Links down below if you want to join Funnel Hacker Labs. And I'll see you at the top. Peace out.